It's Tanzy the Trophy, and welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like, comment, join Team Trophy Case, because you are a trophy, just like Tanzy the Trophy. It's only me. Yeah, I don't know the rest of the words to the song. This sucks. And if you know me, then you know I never do know the rest of the words to the song. But I'ma learn. So yeah, guys, hey, it's Tanzania, aka Tanzy the Trophy, coming at you with another video. Yeah, my voice got really deep just now. Don't judge. But yeah, guys, in this video, I'm back with a vengeance. I'm doing well, guys. Been going a little bit, but this is what you came for. Please. Let me see if y'all can see that. The light getting in the way. These are $2.99, 5D, not 3D, 5D. Fashion, what the heck is this called? But anyway, I'm going to be wearing these, and I'm going to show you how you can make them last. And guys, I'm going to be honest with you, because I braid, and I do wigs, and sew, and knit, and all that kind of stuff. So, wearing these is hard, but when I want to look cute, I do it. And guys, look at those jewels. And it was only $2.99 plus tax. Oh my goodness. Look, they got crosses on them and everything. You only get 12 though. But I'm going to make it work. So what you need to get is some Dollar Tree. I mean, this ain't Dollar Tree. This is Dollar General. I'm sorry, guys. I shop there sometimes. But I like going to Dollar Tree where everything is $1. Because they got this as well, but it's not the Dollar General brand. And it works just as good. So go to Dollar Tree. Forget Dollar General. You know they got some good hair products. You'll need some tissues. Nothing that you use. That kind of rhymes. But, yeah. You'll need that. You'll need your glue. I got Kiss Maximum Speed Pro Flex Nail Glue. Come on, focus. Stop being shiny. Okay, I'm just going to hold my finger. You guys, excuse my nails. If there's black stuff in them, I'm sorry. I dyed my natural hair black. And I didn't wear gloves, so please don't judge. It faded a little bit. My hands aren't black. It's brownish, wasn't it? So, if you see little black stuff underneath my nails, it's dye, I promise. So now, back to this. So you just take them out. See? 12 of them. That's so pretty. I got this from my local beauty supply store, guys. And please check your beauty supply stores. Check Amazon. Amazon really ain't got any good nails. But I did buy some Amazon nail tips. So I might well, full tips. Yeah, nail full tips that are clear. And I'm going to show you guys how I do what to do with them. Right now, it's all about these. So what you do is, in order to make them last longer, some people push back the cuticle. I ain't doing all that. I'm just not. Yeah, I'm just not. So what you do is you take this, put it on the tissue that you didn't use. You just wipe your nail. And guys, you have to figure out what size nail works for you. So actually, before you start putting them on or thinking about putting them on, make sure you, like, since there's 12 of them, Get 10 of them and see which one you want on each finger. Don't just wing it. I mean, you can if you want to. I just rub it. Okay. Then you take your glue. And guys, I'm right-handed, so this can be a little hard. So I go ahead and do my right hand with my left hand first. So I can, please tell me this is not about to not work. Oh my goodness. No. Sometimes the glue gets hard. So I'm going to use a T-pin. Just happen to be in front of me. And I am going to put it in there so I can get it out of there because it dried up. Ho, ho, ho. Now we're back in action. So just put it on there. And I like to go towards the tip more so because just the tip. Sorry, I had to be dirty for a minute there. But when you use most of it on just the tip, it actually helps the nails to stay on longer. Because it's like if you move or use your hands a lot, like I do when it comes to braiding and stuff, this helps. You see, I'm going to use this gold one. Wait a minute. OMG, they're already sticky. I didn't know that. Okay, now my finger is stuck. Ugh. Well, then these will really stick. Okay, then. I can't believe they really stick. Look. I did not know that. Bruh, I've been missing out. So you just put it on there. It won't be extra sticky. Yeah, boy. So I'm just going to take my time and pick out which ones I want for it. I'm put a cross on my... Come on, cross. Get out of here. And guess, guys, I love Jesus. Sorry, guys. Didn't even know that had happened. I am so sorry. Let's see. This is getting to be ridiculous. Can y'all see me? Is it wiggling? And guys, I do use my camera to do my videos. My camera phone to do my videos. But anyway, now everything's so sticky. So take the glue. If the glue would come out. And guys, they ransacked the place. I know, a big word, but they meant like, come on, glue. Sorry, I get mad easily. Bruh, it doesn't freaking kiss. Y'all suck for a minute there. Y'all glue works, but you suck when it comes to having a bottle that doesn't get compacted. It's quick. Now everything's stuck to my hand. See? So basically, I'm just gonna go ahead, put it on each one, mainly on the tip. Try not to get it on your hand like I just did. And this makes it go by quicker. That way it's just, yeah, like that. So I am going to take another one. Take this one. I hope this one fits. Do you fit? You do not fit. Come on. I'm trying, guys. They so sticky. This is like a freaking fail, but not a fail. I gotta put some more glue on there. So this is basically, since it's already sticky, place it on there and kind of push it under the cuticle or the skin over your finger if you don't know what a cuticle is. I think I'm saying it right. It might not be a cuticle. I hope I'm saying it right. Wow, I could have been giving y'all the bird. Nah, I'm kidding. Let's see. Man, now I look like I'm doing gang signs. I'm sorry. I'm trying to show it to you. And guys, I'm unaffiliated, I promise. Let's see if I can put this bad boy out there. Guys, this is having a hard time staying on. Even though it's extra sticky. You know what? Don't do that. Don't do what I did. Don't put it on the other nails, because then the nail glue will dry. And then you'll be mad. Like I am. Get it. I think these are for little kids, the way they on my nails. Yeah, I got some big nail beds. Oh, this one is so pretty, guys. And this is how you can look fancy. And guys, I'm recording this video during quarantine. See, that's what I'm saying. I messed up, guys. Bear with me. I didn't mean it. Bruh, this piece of hair won't leave me alone. And guys, I got plenty of hair extensions, so yeah. Press it. Get on there. Sorry. Okay, don't want to get on there. Okay. Ooh. Let me see if I can lower the light. Y'all can see that. Y'all see that? They're really pretty. Well, guys, this is what they look like. Little crosses. Man, I wish you guys could see this a little bit better. Haha! I'll take it towards me, you can see it. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do my other side of my hands. And guys, I'm going to be honest with you. The reason I've been gone, do you really want to know? And why am I looking to the right like there's somebody there? Yeah, there is somebody there. Her. Say hello to Samantha, my little friend. But anyway. Yeah, guys, I've been feeling really insecure. I've gained weight. You probably noticed, or you probably didn't notice, or you probably don't care, but yeah, I've been gaining weight, but I found a way to lose it. And guys, I want you to see that in my next video. I'm going to tell you, I may still be dressed like this, but I'm going to tell you. And guys, I'm going to make a video on how I made this wig. So yeah, I'm going to use this and make a thumbnail. Ooh, that don't look right. That seems like something you would do with your boobies. Click, you grab. Sorry, guys, I'm a little X-rated. XXX. Gestacio. I love him. Rest in peace, man. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you liked it. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, like I said, I'm gonna do a weight loss video on how I'm losing weight really fast. I'm just gonna go with the flow. I feel really good today, so I'm gonna give you what you need, not just what you want. Okay, but yeah, you can get this from Walmart, Dollar General, or Dollar Tree. This is the Kiss Spray. No, it's Kiss Spray. Kiss. Nail glue. Okay. And Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, anywhere. And let me get you the box again so y'all can see that. Because the sign is covering it. It's called Anna Beauty New York. And it's got an AB on it. Oh yeah, now that is pretty. Let me take a picture of this. Okay then. And it's Fashion Nails 5D. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all be blessed. I have a new intro, so this video will be a little bit long, but I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.